Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we've been decoding Mamwich, changing to Manwich. We got our residue as evidence for the change. We got our extractions. We've got our extractions to go through genetics, or excuse me, stock market, genetics, medical, chemical, um, artificial intelligence, robotics, which was a viewer requested category, machinery, which was a viewer requested category, but it went through anyway. Military, which was our new category that earned itself a spot for coming up over and over. It went through that. Laboratories, research groups, and now we're on technology. So, in order to figure out what actually changed, we first must figure out what did not change and eliminate that, get rid of it. So, as you see here, MA is still over from Mamwich is still over here in Manwich. So we will eliminate MA. And you can see WICH and WICH is still the same in both sides of this equation. So we will eliminate WICH, and that leaves you with MN, and we bring MN down. All right. So we'll start with MN. And now we're doing technology, and to no surprise, how about the University of Minnesota Technology and Leadership Institute, College of Science and Engineering? Well, it seems like these days science is just whatever some guy on TV says, and that's what you got. But that's not what it's supposed to be. Technological Leadership Institute. The Technological Leadership Institute is an interdisciplinary center at the University of Minnesota that has been turning technology professionals into business leaders within their respective industries for more than 3 decades. All right. So, University of Minnesota. It seemed to me that there might have been a little more out here. Let's see. Technology companies, Rochester, Minnesota companies. So, Tech Dump, your partner for electronics recycling, and IT management services in Minneapolis, St. Paul. Information Technology, Roseville, Minnesota, official website. Assistive Technology, Minnesota Council on Disability. So, obviously, technology meant to assist the differently abled, as George Carlin would say. Information Technology, Washington County, Minnesota. So you got a whole bunch of Minnesota stuff here, which is no surprise. They can calculate anything in Minnesota once they have that code. But we're going to move on to M, and M ends up being M Technology. Risk Science for mission critical facilities. So, applying the science of risk to the engineering of mission critical facilities. So that's what they're about. I don't know that there was a whole lot more there. M Technology Solutions, I think that's the same thing. M Tech Systems, Poultry Flock Management Software. All right. M&A Technology. Oh, there's a new one. There's one that's M&A Technology. What are they about? Technology solutions tailored to your exact need. M&A Technology's focus is on providing complete solutions to its customers, from product selection to delivery, followed by excellent support. We work closely with our customers to understand their unique requirements and build a support plan to provide complete customer satisfaction. Well, yeah, that doesn't really tell you much, but there you go. So you got a few things with M, but we'll go ahead and move on to N, which ends up being Sisters N Technology. Our mission is to engage young women in computer science and related IT fields. We are the only after-school program in Minneapolis public schools that focuses on coding and STEM, STEM, obviously an acronym, and are proud to be the first computer technology high school program in Minneapolis public schools. So you have that. You also have N Technology, Racing, manages the racing activities of the group. N Technology Pumps gives you the option to customize your pump solution by choosing cast iron, hard iron, stainless steel, or chopper hydraulics to meet your specific needs. I'm sure that's what it says. N Tech Consulting, that's in Wisconsin. So Code N Technology, Crunch-based company. Code N is a next generation cloud computing company that leverages an advanced systematic web technology to deliver software solutions to business. Okay, so that gets you through going forwards, and now we're going to come back. And NM now, this I couldn't find it here. So this is NM for the technology category. We'll start here because I had to specifically type University of New Mexico to get Technology and Education Center. Welcome to the College of Education's Technology and Education Center. Established to facilitate the integration of computer technologies into educators' instructional activities. The TEC inaugurated its services and activities in 2000. So in the year 2000, I could read on, but there's your University of New Mexico. That was actually hidden a little bit. You had to dig for that, which is not a big surprise, as we found they dealt with quantum information and control. And they're our new number one suspect for running the gematria against to see if they might have used the quantum computer that made this change. So, but NM, you have quite a few things here, as I found looking for that. 5NM process, there's Wikipedia, not a big fan of it. New Mexico Tech, Science, Engineering, Research Institution, so there's another college they can hit. Intel 14NM Technology. Looks like it deals with transistors. Technology Node, a wiki chip. Yeah, I'm not sure what I think of that. IBM unveils world's first 2 nanometer chip technology. And should the chip nanometer metric? Yeah, chip. The biggest, coolest factor in server chips is the nanometer. So that's what that's all about. I could read on, but for time's sake, we'll just keep going. And I was sure IBM introduces world's first 2 nanometer node chip. So there's your IBM. Navajo Technical University, there's another college they can hit. New Mexico Technology Council. So, and there's actually more, but I think we can let that go. And that's going to get through technology. Next, we'll do random hits. And then we'll check translations, but I'm not holding my breath on that. I don't know that MN will translate to anything, which is fine. I'm not expecting it to, but you never know. I've been surprised before. So we'll do random next, then we'll check translations, and then we'll convert this into numbers and go again. And right now, it looks like the University of New Mexico, with their quantum information and control, is the lead suspect for possibly using the quantum computer and making this change, probably inadvertently. So for now, guys, thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down when appropriate. Thanks for all your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks for watching, guys. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.